Hey guys, I hope you're all well. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, or welcome if you've not been here before. I'm Sinead and I do weekly fashion and style videos, and recently I've been vlogging as well, just showing kind of day-to-day life, like what I wear every day, new in, keeping up the house renovations, and my 14-month-old daughter. She's nearly 15 months old now, which is crazy. But yeah, so I wanted to do a video that is different kind of wardrobe staples for summer. I feel like I do one every season, so this season I wanted to do one too, and I've also incorporated a Farfetch haul into this. I was kindly gifted a voucher by Farfetch to do a YouTube video, but I picked the video that I wanted to do and picked everything that I wanted to feature in it, so this is a win-win for me basically. And before I get into the summer essentials, I just wanted to show you, because they have actually launched Farfetch Beauty now, so you can buy kind of skincare and makeup, and they do have all the lovely designer brands like Gucci, but then they also sell brands like Charlotte Tilbury, Aesop, like other kind of general, like more higher end beauty brands, not just the designer stuff. So before I get into the video, I just want to let you guys know as well that I have a discount code for Farfetch, and it works on the beauty items and on the fashion items, and I think it's covering everything in this video from Farfetch, so I will write it in the description box below and on screen. I was really excited to actually have an excuse to buy myself some new beauty things, because I rarely do. So the first thing I got was this Aesop Soap Duo. I didn't actually know that you could buy this, because I've bought the soap before, and I swear it was not much cheaper than this for the soap on its own. So in here, this is a great gift idea. Someone's just got a new house, by the way. But yeah, I feel like I probably paid more than what this is for these two, for them both separately, and the hand cream is like a little small tub. So yeah, great gift idea, or if you just in general, if you want the two of them to look aesthetic, then it's a good deal to buy both. And then I also got something, a makeup brand that I've wanted to try for ages. Gucci, well not a makeup brand, a designer brand makeup. Gucci makeup and like perfume and everything just looks so aesthetic and beautiful. So it comes with this little Gucci pouch, and I got a bronzer, and just was the prettiest packaging. It's so pretty, even the back's pretty. And then let me get it open. The bronzer itself, I don't know if you can see, it's like got little swells in it, so very pretty. And it's a really nice colour. It's quite intense too, so you don't need a lot, so I feel like it's going to last ages, which is good because obviously it is a higher price point. So number one, I would say, is just a white t-shirt. And there's a particular white t-shirt that I've had my eye on for ages, so I was really glad to finally be able to add it to my collection, and it's this dual sand t-shirt. I'm normally not a big fan of like brands and logos and stuff, but I feel like this is quite subtle, even though it's not, but it's not like the Gucci ones that are like out there. I've actually got a Gucci one that I have not worn in years. When I'm not pregnant with like jeans and stuff, it look really good, but now I can wear with like my loose flowy trousers and things. And I always wear things like this super oversized anyway, so it's good because it will fit me perfectly. There's quite a few people that I've seen that have worn it with like a mini skirt and a blazer too. Looks really cool. Just feel like it's a really great piece for like a simple outfit, but it makes it look a bit more luxe and special. So the next thing is going to be a bit controversial for a summer wardrobe video. A jumper dress. I just feel like, to me, a jumper dress in summer is not crazy. Like, we live in the UK, or I do, and also I just feel like it's a kind of an all year round. This is a really lightweight one. I love a jumper dress. It's like loose and oversized with some chunky sandals too. I think it looks so chic, and like I just threw this on. And this is just beautiful. It's like cream cable knit. I love Totem. It's one of my all-time favourite brands. They just have such amazing wardrobe staples and basics. So yeah, that is one of my wardrobe staples, a jumper dress. Can you comment below and say if you agree with me or not, or if you think it's like crazy to say that? Like, maybe I'm thinking more spring, but honestly, the weather is so up and down. Like today I've been wearing this summer dress, and then on Friday it's gonna be like thunderstorms and 14 degrees apparently. So honestly, in the UK, you just never know what you're gonna get. So next we have some cute summer bags, and there's a few that I wanted to show you. So the first is my new one, and this is from Longchamp, and I've always kind of swerved Longchamp. I am not the biggest fan of their kind of classic styles, and I know this is the classic style, but it's with a twist. When I saw it with the kind of turtle bag attachment, I just thought it was really cool. And I like that it's got a shoulder strap too. They do it in black, but I decided to go for the cream in the end because I just thought the cream and the brown leather looked so nice together. And there's quite a few other Longchamp bags on Farfetch that I really liked. Like they had a really nice kind of pillowy tote bag that I was so close to getting. I was deciding between the two, and then I just went for this one because I just thought it was a bit more kind of classic. But yeah, I just feel like with the summer dress, obviously you're gonna have to be careful. Like I can't be putting Margot's bright toys in there because it's not gonna go with my outfit unless I have like a brightly coloured outfit on. But yeah, I just think it's really cute, and it wasn't super expensive for a designer bag either, so it's kind of like getting the designer look for a little bit less. Then I have a couple of other cute summer bags I wanted to mention. So this one is going back to high street, though it is kind of high-end high street. And it's from Suzanne. I love a basket bag so much, but at the moment the ones that are handheld are not as practical, which is why I love that one because it's got the shoulder strap too. This is actually way more expensive than that designer one, which is ironic because this is high street. This is from Suzanne, I will link it below. I've been using this loads. It's just so easy to shove all my things in, Margot's toys and water bottle and everything. And I just love the kind of basket bag look, but they are quite hard to hold if you've got a pram or a baby or something. Like you kind of need to be hands-free. So yeah, this has been quite good for that for this summer. But my all-time favourite summer bag is here, my Loewe basket bag. And they do this in all the different sizes. I mean, I probably don't really need to talk about this bag because I feel like it needs no introduction. But my husband got me this for my birthday a couple of years ago. It was in the first lockdown, I believe. And so it's never really had the wear that it deserves, but this is quite a good one for the whole hands-free basket thing because it could just go over my shoulder, so I can still be hands-free. So it kind of doesn't apply to this, but a lot of basket bags have got shorter handles. I really love it in the tan. I feel like this is like the classic one. They do a beautiful white one as well. And yeah, it's just a great, I mean, this is like the perfect mum bag really, isn't it, for summer, because you can literally fit, I could probably put Margot in there and all of her belongings and carry her on my shoulder. Then I have one more new thing to show you guys before I get back onto my other wardrobe essentials. Not these aren't. So I feel like a good pair of summer sandals obviously are a summer essential. I feel like it would be crazy to not mention them. I got a pair of Hermes sandals a couple of years ago. I got them just before I had Margot. I got them in winter actually, which is like a bit crazy, but I just loved them and I knew that they were going to sell out in summer, which they did. So I was so happy that I managed to get my hands on them. So I wear them so much, which is why I'm talking about them, that I just was like, do you know what, I'm going to get myself another pair of chunky sandals in a lighter colour. So I've got a light colour and a dark pair. So I got this pair from Gia Couture x Pernille Tisbach. Probably said, or not Gia Couture, Gia Borgini. And I love them so much. They're so comfy. I haven't worn them out, but like just tried them on. They've got Velcro straps, so you can make them bigger or smaller, and they're like padded. And they do them in all colours too. So if you do like my Hermes ones, which obviously are like impossible to get hold of now, these are a great alternative, and they're like half the price too. For a designer shoe, they are a great price point. So the next thing that I want to talk about is a summer dress. I feel like everyone needs in their wardrobe for summer, like a simple, preferably midi in my opinion, dress that you can kind of throw on for any occasion. And I feel like the dress that I'm wearing, I'll put clips, is just that. I also have it in black, and it literally comes in like every colour, super affordable off Amazon, and it's just so easy to chuck on. If you were looking for a more luxe version, Daily Sleep has some really amazing styles like this, so I'll link some, and they have like a longer sleeve. but I just love this dress. I've got it in the short version too in black, so they do like a mini version, and it's just so easy to wear. I wear like chunky sandals or my Birkenstocks on like a day-to-day, but then it also looks really nice with like a little heel to look a bit more dressed up. I'm pregnant and I'm wearing a small, and it's not maternity because it's so stretchy and comfy. So I just am loving this dress at the moment, if you couldn't tell. So the next thing I wanted to mention is sunglasses. Everyone needs a pair of go-to sunglasses. I feel like everyone needs a pair of Ray-Bans or Ray-Ban dupes. If you can't afford them, I'll link some dupes. But I feel like these are perfect. These are the aviator ones. I do love the classic round ones too that everyone has, but I do feel like there's just something about a pair of aviators that are so chic and classic and like kind of a bit more grown up. I don't know, they're a bit more timeless to me. Like I love the round ones, I've got the round ones, don't get me wrong, but there's just something timeless about a pair of aviators. So the next thing is a pair of trousers that I've literally been living in. So if you follow me on Instagram, I feel like all of these things will not be a surprise. Maybe the aviators, because I don't wear sunglasses in my pictures actually too much. But these trousers, they're from Zara. These are just my example, but basically a pair of light floaty linen or floaty fabric trousers. These ones from Zara, they're like plissé trousers, super loose, super floaty, great for pregnancy, great for non-pregnancy. I'm wearing a large and they come up to literally under my boobs, so really long, but they do have a raw hem, so you can just cut them to fit your length. And yeah, I've got them in black and cream. Can't stop wearing them. If you follow me on Instagram, you'll have seen them all over the shop. But I feel like a pair of loose, light, floaty trousers are the perfect wardrobe essential for spring, because you just wear them with like a light cami, like an oversized t-shirt, chunky sandals, blazer, open shirt, anything, and it's just like an easy outfit solution. Then finally I have two more, and the first one is a oversized shirt, preferably white, but I do have one in like every colour of the rainbow. This one's in the Amazon men's section. It's got some makeup around the neck, so I'll link it below, the exact one I got, and I got it in a large because I just really wanted a super oversized one whilst I'm pregnant, and just in general I find it so hard to get one that's like the right length and oversizedness, and this one has hit the nail on the head, and it's super comfy to wear too, because I feel like when you're buying men's shirts, I always worry that they're going to be like work shirts. Wear it with jeans, wear it with denim shorts, open with like a little cami underneath. I love wearing shirts open in summer as like a lightweight jacket. Wear the same like with a cami, and then this has been like my go-to pregnancy outfit, like something tight underneath. It shows a bit of bump, then these trousers, and then shirt open. Or I've been wearing it done up with like these trousers. That's really good. Then finally, another kind of rogue piece for summer, as with the jumper dress, and it's an oversized blazer, because I do feel like it's a perfect outerwear option. I don't know why I keep doing that. Perfect outerwear option for if you are it's a bit chilly or like bad weather or whatever. So like if the shirt isn't cutting it, or you could layer with the shirt, actually looks really nice. An oversized blazer is the one, and I have a couple to show you. I have so many that I love, but I just narrowed it down. So my ultimate fave blazer ever is this Frankie Shop one, which you can use the Farfetch code on, and I love this so much. I have it in black and camel, but I obviously didn't want to just have about 100 blazers here to show you guys. I've just got the one. This is the original one I got. And yeah, I've done so many videos featuring this, because it just is like, it has my heart, and I have done a styling video on it and on the black one, so I'll link those below too. But it is just perfection in a blazer, in my opinion. So I hope that this video helped you guys, if you're thinking of investing in some staples, or maybe you're just like feeling a bit blah about your own wardrobe and you just need to like see some things and get some inspo. Hopefully it's helped you. If you do fancy treating yourself, obviously, as I said, there's a discount code. Just want to say thanks again to Farfetch for the voucher so that I could treat myself. I've actually got a little bit left over too, so I might get myself something for my birthday, which is actually in it will have been when you're watching this. But yeah, so you'll know probably from my vlog or whatever. You'll find out. But yeah, I'll link everything in the description box below, both the Farfetch stuff and the non-Farfetch stuff and the dupes and everything that I mentioned. And yeah, I hope that you enjoyed this video. Hope you're enjoying your summer. If you've got any fun plans, let me know, because I can't go anywhere because this pregnancy has been a nightmare. So I'm literally like, have to stay within a certain area, which is very frustrating. So let me know your plans so I can live vicariously through you guys. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.